Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model VE2150-Q in color code 1002/11. It's a gold red color frame. On the temples it has a gold Medusa logo. So on the other side. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a gray gradient color and then has a leather Medusa logo. It is also detachable and can be taken off. Up here we have a Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.